Hi, my name's Timothy Downs. I'm the executive chef at Noble Events inside of Daniel's School. Today we're making curry cauliflower, which is a user-friendly recipe that can basically go with any holiday meal that you might be a part of. We have an environment here where it gives our hospitality students an opportunity to get real-life experience. From starting out to not knowing anything to becoming a student manager. It's important in our industry to make sure that they have some sort of background or history working in an environment like this. It helps with their resume, it helps build their portfolio. We do have to pre-cook it in the oven. So what I've done here is I've rubbed it with just a little bit of olive oil, salt and pepper. And what we do is we just wrap it with a little bit of tin foil, like so. And we bake this for about an hour inside a regular oven. The recipe calls for a whole head of cauliflower, which I've cut. I've taken the stem out, little bite-sized pieces. 1 red onion, which we've chopped in about a 1/2-inch dice. A little bit of garlic, 1/4 cup of olive oil, and some salt and pepper. So basically we're just gonna put all our ingredients in the bowl, one at a time. Olive oil, beautiful red onions, chopped garlic, and just a couple pinches of salt and pepper. Lightly toss it so you don't smash everything together. If your potatoes are cold, they're pretty resilient. If they're warm is when they're gonna break up. So now we got our sheet pan or our baking sheet lined. We're just gonna put our ingredients on here, and it's key to have it single layer. We're actually gonna bake this at a fairly high temperature, between 4 or 450 in your oven. In my oven, it takes about 20 minutes. So this is the curry aioli that goes on top. And the aioli is a garlic-based mayonnaise. So we have our mayonnaise here, 3/4 cup. 1/4 cup of malt vinegar, and a tablespoon of curry powder with a little salt and pepper. Super easy to do, you just mix them together. So we've taken our Ziploc bag with our aioli, and we just want to drizzle it around like this. Ultimately, it's how much you want to put on. That's the beauty about food. So now we'll just put this back in the oven. And always you eat with your eyes first, so you can garnish it with anything you want. Some green onions, some chives. I happen to have some micro sorrel here. We just put on top. That's it. My sous chef and I both teach a couple classes as well. So the students become very comfortable coming down here and being a part of this. It's fun to watch them grow, and it's never been anything that I've done before. Watching these kids graduate and get great jobs, it's a great feeling.